Hello, how are you? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own AI-powered customer support bot for Telegram. Whether you're running a gaming community or managing a small business, this bot will handle customer questions automatically, so you can focus on the important stuff, while the bot replies to users on your behalf 24/7. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram and search for our bot. That's at Customer AI Support Bot. Once you're there, simply type and send the /start command to activate the bot. Next, if you want to check out the available plans or view your current subscription status, just send /subscribe. Now, if you already have a redeem code and you're ready to activate your plan, here's what to do. Type /redeem, add a space, and then paste your redeem code right after it. Hit send, and the bot will confirm your subscription along with the expiry date of your plan. Super easy. And here's a quick tip. You can also check your active subscription anytime by sending the /my_subscription command. Simple and convenient. If you ever need a quick reminder of what commands are available, just type /help. The bot will show you a full list of commands you can use. Super handy if you forget something or want to explore more features. To connect your own bot, just head over to @botfather on Telegram, create a new bot, and copy the bot token. You'll need that in the next step. Now, to link your bot, type the command /setBotToken, add a space, then paste your bot token, all in one line, and hit send. That's it. Your bot will now be connected. Next, let's connect the AI. If you don't have a Gemini API key yet, no worries. Just search for Gemini API key on Google and generate one easily from Google AI Studio. It's quick and free to get started. Once you have your key, type /setGeminiKey, add a space, then paste your Gemini API key, and hit send. The best part? Gemini offers a free tier that's more than enough to handle most customer support queries. Now you can set a custom role for your bot, like a customer support assistant for your web shop, or even a private assistant just for yourself. I recommend starting with this default role. You are a customer support bot for your store, whose job is to answer customer queries and solve their issues. Reply in a formal yet friendly manner with a human touch. Feel free to tweak this role however you like, and the bot will instantly adapt to it. Next, we'll upload your store or product data to the bot using a CSV file. This is the information the bot will use to answer your customers accurately. You can customize the header row with your own instructions, and add as many rows and columns as you need to fit your data. Make sure your CSV file is saved in the CSV UTF-8, delimited format, otherwise the bot won't recognize it. Once your CSV file is ready, just drag and drop it into the chat or upload it directly to the bot. It'll instantly store the data as context. If you're not comfortable using CSV, you can also upload a plain .txt file. But we highly recommend using the CSV format, since it provides much more accurate context for customer replies. To upload a .txt file, it's just as simple. Drag and drop it into the bot chat, or upload it manually. You can use CSV, TXT, or even both formats together, depending on your needs. For best results, I recommend using CSV for structured product details, and TXT for any extra information about your store, policies, or FAQs. Now it's time to test your bot. Visit your connected bot from a different Telegram account, because it will ignore messages from the owner account. We've reserved the owner chat for a future login feature. So for now, all testing should be done from another user's perspective. Go ahead and try it out. Your AI support bot is ready to respond. You know what's really cool? The bot automatically detects your customer's language and replies in their own language. No settings needed. It breaks down all language barriers, making your support feel natural and personal for every user. Thanks a lot for watching the video. If you found this helpful, make sure to join our Telegram channel at Flash Develops for updates and more tools like this. And if you need any help setting up your support bot, feel free to message me directly on Telegram @@theflash47. See you in the next one.